Hello friends, today we are going to talk about Java, programming in Java. So this is for the beginners and we will see how to set up Java, install Eclipse IDE on Windows desktop laptop. We'll write the very first code, writing hello world on console, and then we'll also write a hello world code on Windows GUI. So we'll get hello world written in a Windows dialog box. Let's get started. To write Java code, we need to have an IDE. IDE is Integrated Development Environment. The most popular IDE that people use to write Java code is Eclipse. Open your web browser, type Eclipse. The very first link that you get is for downloading the Eclipse. Click download. At the time of recording video, we have Eclipse IDE 2023_06. When you will be downloading it, we could have a newer version of it. Just get the latest version and download. I've downloaded Eclipse here in my download folders. Let's go ahead and install. Choose Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Then click launch. Select the location where you want your workspace to be. Workspace is a location where all the projects will be created by default. Let's create our first Java project. Let's make it a simple Hello World console application. Click Create Java Project. Let's give it a name. I don't need any modules, so we can uncheck this thing. Say Finish. Expand this thing. Click Source. This is where our source code is going to stay. Say New Class. Let's call this com.helloworld. Call our class name as main. Click public static void main. This is the entry point for all Java applications. Click Finish. To get hello world printed on console, we'll simply use command system.out.println. That's it. To run this project, right-click, Run as Java application. You see, you have made your first Java project. Congratulations. How about getting the same hello world message in a Windows dialog box rather than console? Let's do it. Click Source, New Class. Let's call it Hello World, say GUI. Click public static void main. Finish. Say import javax.swing.joption pane. Press Control and space to get the right option. We'll write joption pane dot show message dialog. Simply change our guess to hello world. That's it. To run this program, right-click, Run as Java application. Here you go. You got hello world message in the GUI form, just like you get in Windows. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.